Hi everyone, this is Madhavi, working as assistant professor in Laxman Institute of Technology and Management. Today I am going to discuss about cloud paradigm in cloud computing. Coming to cloud paradigms in cloud computing, today we are covered in this topics. First one, introduction to cloud computing, evaluation of cloud computing, the need for cloud computing, definition of cloud computing. Cloud computing is a services. Cloud computing is a platform. Principles of cloud computing. 5 essential characteristics in cloud computing. These topics are covered in today's session. First, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing means storing and accessing the data and programs on remote servers that are hosted on internet instead of the computers and hard drives or local services. These cloud computing refers also to a internet based computing. It is a technology where the resources is provided as a service through the internet to the user. The data that is stored can files, images, document, etc. These are used for the cloud or any other storable documents like MS Word, PowerPoint. These are cloud storages documents. Next, how cloud computing works. Cloud computing helps user is easily accessing computing resources like storage and processing over the internet rather than the local hardwares. Okay, these are the infrastructure and on-demand access are the used for the cloud computing. First of all, what is infrastructure? Cloud computing depends on remote networks, servers hosted on internet for a store or manage and process the data. We can use the any type of data. We can store the cloud. Okay, on demand access. Users can access cloud services and resource based on the on demand. They can scale up or down the without having to invest for physical hardware. Okay, cloud computing are there are three services are there. First one, public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. Coming to public cloud, the cloud resources that are owned and operated by the third-party cloud services provides are the public clouds. It is delivered to computing resources such as servers, software, and storage over the internet. Coming to private cloud, the cloud computing resources that are exclusively used for the inside of the single business or organization are termed as private cloud. A private cloud may physically be allocated to the company or any site. These are the hosted by the third party services provider. Coming to hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud means a combination of public and private cloud, which is bounded by the any technology that allows the data applications. This is the clouds in the cloud computing. Coming to infrastructure, these are the three types of services models. First one, infrastructure as a service, as platform as a services, software as a services. Coming to infrastructure as a services, we can rent or IT infrastructures like servers and virtual machines, VM virtual machines, storage network, operating systems from the cloud services. We can create only for virtual machines only, like Windows or Linux. Install anything in this infrastructure as services. Next, platform as a service. This service provides an on-demand internet environment for the developing or testing, delivering the managing software applications. The developer is responsible for the applications for the platform as a services. These are the vendor provide the ability to deploy and run it. Next, software as a services. It provides a centrally hosted or managed software services to the end users. Okay, it delivers the software over the internet on demand, typically on the subscription basics. Example: Microsoft Drive, Dropbox, WordPress. Next, WordPress Plus also. Next, coming Office 365, Amazon kindly. These architecture of the cloud services. Next, advantages of cloud computing. These are the cloud advantages. First one, cost efficiency, flexibility and scalability, collaboration and accessibility, automatic maintenance and updations. Okay. Disadvantages of the cloud computing: security concerns, downtime and reliability, dependency on internet connectivity, cost management complexity. These are the disadvantages of the cloud computing. Security concerns are storing and sensitive data and external services. Next, downtime reliability is cloud services are usually dependable on the clouds. Dependency on internet connectivity is a heavy relay on internet connectivity. Next, cost management complexity is pay and you go. Next, evaluation of cloud computing. The phases cloud computing we first introduced in 1950s to describe internet related services, and it is evolved from the distributed computing to the modern technology known as the cloud computing. Cloud services includes these provided by the Amazon, Google and Microsoft. Cloud computing allows users to access a wide range of services stored to the cloud. A cloud or the on the internet. Cloud computing services include computer resources, data storages, apps, services, development tools, and networking protocols. These are the cloud computing evaluation of the cloud computing. Next, coming to types of evaluation of cloud computing. These are the many types of cloud evaluation of cloud computing: distributed systems, mainframe systems, cloud computing. Next, grid computing, virtualizations, web 2.0. These are the types of evaluation of cloud computing. First, distributed systems. Distributed systems is a composition of multiple independent systems, but all of them is duplicated a single entity to the users. The purpose of a distributed system is to share resources and also use them efficiently and effectively. Mainframe computing. Mainframe, which is first time into the existence in 1951, are highly powerful and reliable computing machines. These are the responsible for the handling large data such as massive input out operations. Next, cluster computing. These cluster computing introduced in 1980s only. Cluster computing came as alternative to mainframe computing. Each mainframe in the cluster was connected to each other by the network with the hand width. These were cheaper than those mainframe system. They were equal to capable of high computations. Next, grid computing. These introduced in 1990s. The concept of grid computing was introduced in 1990s. It means that different systems we are placed entity, different geographical locations, and these all were connected via internet. Next, virtualizations. Virtualizations was introduced in 40 years back. It refers to the process of creating a virtual layer over the hardware, which allows the user to run multiple instances simultaneously through the hardware. Next, Web 2.0. Web 2.0 is the interface through which the cloud computing services interact with the clients. The need for cloud computing. These are the cost efficiency and scalability and flexibility, enhanced collaboration. These are the need for the cloud computing. Cost efficiency means the need for significant upfront investment in the hardware and infrastructures. Scalability and flexibility means mm, resources up or down depending on the demand. Next, enhanced collaborations. These are the real time from anywhere in the world. Next, disaster recovery and backup, access anytime, anywhere, environmental benefits, security enhancement. These are the need for cloud computing. Next, definition of a cloud computing. Cloud computing is a technology paradigm that enables the delivery of cloud computing resources such as a server, storage, database networking, software, analytics, and intelligence. We over the internet. They are pay and use. You go to the basics. Key features of cloud computing is a on-demand self-services, broad network access, resource pooling, rapid electricity. Okay, these are the key features of the cloud computing. Thank you.